Now you should know something about the smut formation. After that is the alkali treatment, what happens is some of the surface, metal surface, they produce some products because of the reaction with the alkali. So they are called the smuts. They are the surface products formed by the reaction of, there may be some alloy elements, so that will react with the alkali, so that it may result some, that is a deposition, and those deposits are called smuts. And these smuts should be cleaned after the that is alkaline degreasing. So here we can use the desmutting agents, and this is sodium hydrogen sulfate. This is one of the very good desmutting agents. And the ferric sulfate, you should not get confused with the ferrous sulfate. Now let me explain about these both chemicals. This is sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. So you should not use this one. Instead, you can use sodium hydrogen sulfate. So this should be used. Okay. So these are the smutting. So this one is smutting, desmutting agent. And similarly, you have FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. So you should not use this one. You have to use ferric sulfate, that is Fe2SO4 thrice. Okay. So in fact, it has higher oxidation state. Okay. So we have to use this compound only as a desmutting agent.